Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to take a trip through the Healthy Living app created by the Environmental Working Group, or EWG for short. We talk a lot about chemicals and the harmful effects that it can have on your body. And so today I really want to introduce you to a wonderful, wonderful tool that can help you to determine, what's in your pantries, what's in your healthcare products, what's in your skincare products, and what the rating is, like how harmful the chemicals are, the ingredients are in those particular products. So I also have several products that I have in my home that I'm going to use to demonstrate what this app can do. But let's go through the home screen first so I can show you what the different categories are. First, we have the EWG verified section. And in this section, there are the products that are EWG verified. And what that means is this represents the best of the best that's out there for your total body. There are different categories under this EWG verified section. So you'll have skin care, you'll have hair care, and then cleansing products. And also we can click and see what else we have here. Okay, so then we have also the categories for bathroom, dishwashing, kitchen, laundry, hair care, blah, 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 like on and on and on, all the different categories that have products in them with the EWG verified stamp of approval. So going into the general purpose cleaners, let's see this Aspen Clean Bathroom Cleaner with lavender and lime. If I click on that, it'll give me the screen for this particular product, and you can see in the top right hand corner is the overall rating for this product, and it is of course EWG verified. But then you can also see the breakdown of the overall score. So we have asthma, environmental, skin, and then developmental. And these are the different categories that comprise the overall score. So if we go into one of these categories, let's say asthma, and for asthma, it's a yellow, and these are the ingredients linked to causing or worsening the respiratory condition asthma. And this is yellow. So if we go back out, let's go back out here. Okay. Next, let's go into environment, and this represents the ingredients linked to aquatic toxicity and other harms to the environment. All right, let's go into skin. Ingredients linked to allergic skin reactions or irritation of the skin, eyes, or lungs. Ugh, bad. But this one is a yellow, so it's not that bad. And then environmental. Ingredients linked to developmental and reproductive toxicity, a broad class of health effects that range from the infertility and reproductive organ cancers to birth defects and developmental delays in children. This could be bad. But the good news is they're all green. Skin and asthma is yellow. And let's figure out what is causing this. So down below that, you can see the ingredients. And this one has a rating system of A through E or F, sorry, A through F. A, of course, is the best, just like in school, and F is the absolute lowest or the most harmful rating for that particular chemical. And as you can see here, we have a lot of A's, we have some B's, and a couple of C's here, and they all kind of add up to the overall rating of the product. So if you go from bottom all the way up to the top, you have the list of ingredients and the specific chemical ratings for each of those ingredients. And then you can go up to see how that affects skin, developmental, asthma, so forth, and overall, and then up to the overall rating. Okay, so let's go back and go back again and go back to our home screen. So next, underneath the EWG verified section, then there are sections specifically for personal care, for food, for sunscreens, and then for household cleaners. And you can go into each one of those other categories and search for products to see what the product rating is for that. So under personal care, for instance, there are hair products for people of color, babies and moms, foot care, oral care, nail care, so forth and so on, skin care, sun. You can go through each of those individual categories and look at all the products and what the ratings are for some of those products. Today, we're not going to go through each one of these categories for personal care, food, sunscreens, and the like. Instead, we are going to use this handy dandy little scanner right in the bottom of the home screen. And I'm going to use some products that I have in my house to demonstrate what you would see when you use the scanner of this app and how it can inform you on all of the things that you have in your home or that you are thinking about buying. So let's jump into this demonstration. The first product that we have is I'm going to put on my barcode scanner here. So it is a body wash and shampoo. And I'm going to turn it over, scan the back, and here we go. All right, so this product has an overall rating of 3, and for this rating system, it is a 1 through 10, with 1 being the best product and then 10 being the worst product. So you can see here the allergy concern details and read that little paragraph below. But what's interesting here is that this is a rating of 3, but you have a red for allergies. And if we dig a little deeper into that, we see that it's probably because of the citrus that we have. We have bitter orange, we have orange oils, and so that could be a concern for allergies. If we go into this bitter orange here, and you can also read all of that. I'm not going to do that, but you can read all of that to see what's in there specifically that they think will cause an allergic reaction. As we scroll to the bottom of this particular ingredient, you can also see, so we have cancer, allergies, data gaps, all types of further information on this just one chemical. So let's go back, and you can see there are plenty of rated number 2s and 1s for the ingredients list. So all of that will pretty much outweigh, looks like, that one number 6 rating that we have there, which then goes all the way up to our overall rating of 3. So this is how you would be able to view and decide whether or not this product is the right product for you and your family and your household. Now we're going to go to the next product, which is a men's product. This is what my husband uses for his body wash. So let's see what he's putting on his skin here. All right. Oh, this is an overall score of 6, which is on the upper end of the scale. So for allergy, it is red, cancer green, developmental is green. And the ingredients list has quite a few higher numbers here. This is kind of disturbing. For fragrance, for that big old M word, and a few other things, it's probably causing the allergy issues that is red right there. So again, overall score of 6. He doesn't have any allergic reaction to this product, so it is okay for him. If you have really allergy prone skin, then this might not be the product for you. And again, this app will give you the information so you can make the best informed choices for you. So let's go back out and go to the next product. And this product is a sunscreen, is a kid's sunscreen spray. And let's turn that over. Okay, and this one, there is no product information on this one, and sometimes that happens, and what you have to do is submit the product. So you can take your own pictures of the product and submit it. We will not go through that feature today, but just so you know that that is an option. So let's go out and go to the next product, which is the Beauty Counter product. I use this on my face. This is the toner or hydrating essence, as it is called. So I can't actually scan this, so I'm going to type this in. It doesn't have a barcode, so you can type in the product. So let's type in Beauty Counter. What's this? Hydrating. Let's see what comes up with that. Okay, so Beauty Counter Hydrating Essence, the top one there. It is, thank goodness, it is the EWG verified product. And on a scale from 1 to 10, this is a 0. Like, this is the absolute best endorsement that you can get. And just kind of scrolling down here, I wanted to see what other Beauty Counter products look like. So with hydrating in its title, so it's 3. Okay, we're going to move on. Okay, so this product is EWG verified. So now let's go through this here. So this says allergy is red. cancer green, developmental green. So let's look here. What could be causing this allergy section to be red? It looks like we have a lot of citrus oils in this product. So that could definitely be causing, and that could cause an allergic reaction. So if you are allergic to citrus, orange, lemon, this geranium flower oil, when you dig a little deeper and you see that, they have this particular ingredient, then, and you personally may be affected by that, then you know that still this product may not be for you. Okay, so next we're going to go back to scanning. So I'm going to press scan here. And next product is the 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner. So scan that bad boy. Let's see what comes up. This is on the rating system of A through F. So this is a B, so this is pretty good. We have different categories here than we did before. We have asthma, environment, skin, and developmental. So let's go into one of those really quickly just to see what they say. Okay, so skin. Ingredients linked to allergic skin reactions or irritation of the skin, eyes, and lungs. All right. Asthma. Okay. So, and that's yellow. Environment is also yellow. Ingredients linked to aquatic toxicity and other harms to the environment. And then developmental is that very scary one that could affect your fertility or reproductive organs and birth defects and all kinds of bad words in there. All right, so let's go down to the ingredients then and see what we have here from A to D. Not bad. You can also look these ingredients up and see what they're actually doing. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home page. And that's it. That is this wonderful app all in a nutshell. You can go through this on your own. I'd highly recommend downloading this app. It is a free app that gives you a ton of information about all of the products that you are thinking about buying or products that you have already bought, and all the ingredients and chemicals that are in those products and how they can affect your body. So I want you guys to live well, live healthy, and be great. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, guys. Bye.